for some fun. I got capsules. I have heard they grow into huge animals. Guys, we have to put this in hot boiling water. I have 2 capsules with me. Guys, but first I have to take adult's help because I need hot boiling water. So I'll ask my mama to give me hot boiling water. Mama! So guys, now we have hot water. So let's put the capsules into the water. Guys, it seems like the capsules are growing. Bubbles are forming. They are starting to open up. And it seems like one of them has opened up. So now I will take them out of the hot water. Oh, it's a bunny. Guys, it seems like I got a cow and a bunny. It was so much fun, guys. And it seems like the animals did not come big, which I got in the packet. I got a bunny and a cow. If you want this, guys, check it in the description below. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching.